President Mnangagwa has today met incoming Pan-African Parliament President Chief Fortune Charumbira, who was recently re-elected to be at the helm of the Continental Legislative Assembly. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Chief Charumbira won the rights to represent the Southern Africa Regional Caucus, which currently holds the presidency, in a tightly contested poll, where he beat his rival Mr. Mausampa of Zambia in elections held in Midrand, South Africa. Today, he was officially presented to President Mnangagwa by Speaker of Parliament, Advocate Jacob Mudenda, who was accompanied by Zimbabwe legislators to PAP, presiding officers and senior officials from Parliament. In today's news, President Mnangagwa meets PAP President Charumbira. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.